In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own logo with Wix Logo Maker. So if you're interested in doing this, then make sure you keep watching the video because I'm going to show you step by step how you can create your own logo automatically with Wix. So you don't need any design skills or Photoshop skills whatsoever. You can do this just by clicking a few buttons and playing around in the website. So to begin, you want to go to wix.com/logo/maker and press on Get My Logo. Once you press this, it's going to lead you to this page where it's going to ask you a few questions. From here, you want to enter the name of your desired company or brand you're making the logo for. For this tutorial, I'm going to be using our brand's name, which is Growmore Tech. Afterwards, you can add a tagline. It's optional, but for us, I'm going to be adding tutorials at hand. Next up, simply press on Let's Go, and it's going to ask what your logo is for. For instance, you can have your logo for business, for art, for YouTube videos, which is our case. So we're going to write YouTube, and it should bring a lot of different options. YouTube site, YouTube personality, gaming channel, educational videos, which is what we are. So we're going to press on educational channel. Next, you want to press on next, and it's going to ask you how should your logo look and feel. For us, we're a tutorial channel, so we want to have a modern, formal, good-looking logo that's minimalistic. So I'm going to choose modern, formal, and techy. We're going to press on next. And now it's going to ask you to choose between a set of different logos so it can see what type of logos you like. I think I'm going to choose this one and probably this one. This one is really nice. Skybeam Technology, and this one. After choosing 5 logos, it's gonna find different variety of logos that are to your preference. So for us, as you can see, it's gotten this one, which is this. It looks like this, the logo. And honestly, I don't like this too much. So here we can look at more options. So I'm gonna take a quick look, and this one looks pretty nice. So after you chose your desired style, you want to press on customize your logo. From here, you're going to have multiple options like palette, text, symbols, shapes, images, and background. We'll get to all of these in a moment. But first, I want to change a few things regarding the palette. So I don't generally like this tone of pink, so let's make it red. Growmore Tech, and this can be turned to white. Much nicer. I'm also going to be changing the font on this one. This one looks nice. Now we're gonna move this back where it belongs. And for us, it's a text channel, so this logo wouldn't be suitable. So you can press on the logo and you can press on change icon, which here it brings a ton of icon options for you. If these are not to your liking, you can search for a specific icon. I'm gonna search computer. And as you can see, it will bring us multiple logos regarding computers. I'm going to be choosing this one, and I'm going to be changing the color to white as well to match our slogan. So as you can see, the logo is looking much nicer already, but I want to add a few shapes to it. So let's add a, I don't know what this is called. I think I'm going to put it like this. Now, we can simply come down here and add a blur to it, and we can make it move backwards. So now this logo is in front of that. Now we go back to this and we can change the color to white. Actually, I think this is a suitable color. We're gonna make it go backwards once again. And there you have it. I'm gonna be changing this to white over here. And that's the logo now. So afterwards, you can also add images which are on your desktop, but I won't be doing that. We're going to be changing the background color to black, and that's going to be our logo. Once you're done with this, that is how you make your very own logo at Wix. You want to press on next, and it will give you subscription plans depending on what you need and what you want. Other than that, if you have any more concerns or something went wrong, be sure to comment down below and we'll try to resolve it.